yung real estate property yung nagdi-dictate kung paano mo pinaplano yung future mo eh. So that's
Parang doon
always
nakasentro
the
yung plano
story.
mo dahil doon.
Oo, kasi nakabili na sila sa Ortigas, they are going to build a life in that area, di ba? So siyempre, I would say na parang napaaga yung pag-choose nila doon sa location na yon, no? So yung pala hindi pa talaga sila 100% na decided na dito na tayo magpapalaki ng family, and yung guy pala is looking for a better career opportunity in other companies, and considering yung mga offices sa ibang city. So sabi ko, sa loob ko lang, hindi ko na sinabi sa kanya. Sa loob ko, sayang yung opportunity, no. It would have been an easier decision if they were just renting at that time, no. So yun.
Right. Yeah, may mga pros and cons talaga eh. If you buy, nalilimit na yung flexibility. And again, yung personal finance, it's personal, and even your decision kung magre-rent ka and magba-buy. And ang ganda ng sinabi mong guideline, no, na afford mo na at talagang nakita mo na dito ka na talaga titira.